Tim Collins with Cullman today. I'm down with the Honorable Judge Kim Chaney. Judge, you've got a interesting, fascinating program for teenagers. Can you tell us about it?
Sure. It's called the Cullman Trauma Prevention Program. It's for young drivers who's gotten some citations and tickets, and they are allowed to come to the Cullman Regional Medical Center to go through the class to help with that.
Now, this is not just a classroom with some manuals and a couple of visuals. You make this kind of real world, don't you?
Yes, sir. And I'd like to thank the Cullman Regional Medical Center for partnering with the court system to provide this quality entertainment and learning. It's really a learning tool for these young drivers. When they come to the Cullman Regional Medical Center here, they're assigned injuries. That is, they have to wear neck braces, they have to wear leg braces, they have to use crutches, and they go through a tour. They begin with the ER and OR to see exactly what happens if someone has trauma and they're transported to Cullman Regional Medical Center.
What I got out of the class is these people that put it on really care about us. Like, some of these people took off work today just to come out here and tell some of their side of the story, what they've been through, and it really touched me. Being up there in the room, seeing some of the pictures where they had to operate on some people that's been in the wreck, it's really life-changing and reality. It's a reality check.
Okay. I believe in this program because I started about 3 years ago, and I saw when I came in the impact that it had on the kids that actually come in. A lot of them don't understand that there's more to just besides getting a ticket like they did wreck, or they don't understand like they get put in the hospital and the effects that it has on them, all that. So I volunteer my time to come in on a Saturday, and all of us do. We all volunteer to come in to show that these kids, that there's more to just than just getting out of your speeding ticket.
Well, and these children, young adult students, they're not just randomly through here. They've come to your courtroom, correct?
That's correct. The district attorney has given them an offer to come through this program to have their case dismissed off their record. So not only are we providing them with a way to, and hopefully an incentive to drive safer, if they complete the program, pay the court cost on their case, their ticket is dismissed, which saves their driving record and also saves the parents' insurance.
Well,
I think this program is very good for upcoming teens, people that is new to driving, just first getting licensed, and even people that has been on the road for a long time. For me, for instance, I suffered a concussion in football, and I know that playing football and having a concussion was pretty bad. There's certain things I couldn't remember for a while. So imagine yourself being in a car accident. It's probably twice as bad. I have a problem with wearing my seatbelt. So after this class, it made me aware of wearing my seatbelt more and actually hearing, live experiences from people that's been in accidents and drove off the road, fell in the ditch, or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to wear my seatbelt a lot more.
Hey, my name's Michael. I work here at Cullman Regional in the emergency room and have for about 2.5 years now. A little background, I was in the Army for 25 years as a combat medic, and I've seen a lot. I see a lot of traumas come in and out of the ER here. A lot of younger individuals that if they just slow down, shouldn't be in here. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I'm a parent who has lost somebody within this age bracket. My son John, he turned 23 on May 29th of 2015, and just a couple weeks later, June 16th of 2015, at about 2 o'clock in the morning, he rolled his vehicle, was ejected, and died.
Well, I sat through most of this, and I would think that parents, even if their children or young adults haven't been getting a ticket or involved with the law, would want their kids to go through this program. It was a great education, it seemed like to me.
Well, we have a parent who lost a child to an accident come and speak to the class. We had a survivor of traumatic brain injury due to an accident come speak to the class. I'm proud to share the platform with other judges in this circuit, Judge Turner, Judge Nicholas, and Judge Williams. We all take turns coming and visiting and explaining the legal ramifications for tickets and injuring others, whether it be vehicular homicide. We tell the worst, what could happen if someone, loses control of an automobile and, injures somebody else.
Well, it makes you think about what you're doing behind the wheel in a completely different way, doesn't it?
It really does. I'm like the guy before me. He said he's really bad about wearing a seatbelt. I'm really bad about not wearing it. And it's a big reality check seeing some of these people that they go through what they've been through and with the head trauma, and it's.
Or whatever ticket you got, so they understand that there's over repercussions on the family if you actually are harmed. They get to feel they actually wear the equipment, like they'll wear leg braces, arm slings, all kinds of uncomfortable equipment, just to get the feel what it's like. We teach them facts about everything, and it's neat to actually learn the kids, learn their stories. A lot of them come in, they're usually very vocal about how they got their ticket and what they did, and some of them just need to talk. It's really interesting to get to meet the kids and stuff, and so it's hear what their story is.
This class is very good for even people that's been in accidents. It makes them more aware of the road more. It's just the small things that matter: texting, driving. I know a lot of us, we drink sometimes, when we're driving. So I think all that together, this class is very important for those reasons.
Well, what I was impressed is these young people, most of them were on the edge of their seat. You had their full attention for the whole time, which is not an easy thing to achieve.
Well, yeah, today, kids are, desensitized a lot, but when they actually see the OR and they actually see the pictures of some OR pictures, and they see the ER and they understand what a trauma is, and you actually have survivors, I think that makes the difference. It's not just a film strip. You're actually having people come and explain to these young people how an accident or injury affects them and their families, and I think that makes the difference.
So let me ask you this, particularly after you've driven more than a week, you start to get used to it, don't you?
Yeah, you get used to being on the road. You know which way you're going. You just don't pay attention, and oh, this isn't gonna happen to me. I don't have to wear a seatbelt. I can go faster when I need with the road. I know which way the road turns, and what you don't know is what's coming up on the road. What's another car, a dog, a deer, especially in this rural area where I'm from. It's where you can have cows, dogs, sheep, whatever, just get out of the fence. And you just don't know. So some of these people that are either looking down at their phone, texting, getting comfortable. That's one of the main problems in today's day and age with young kids, is getting comfortable.
One last question, Judge. When is the next class? And do you have to go through your courtroom, or can the average person sign up?
Well, right now, the class that we do quarterly, we had 46 participants today. We're looking at expanding the program, so our next class is probably going to be in February. Right now is the people who come to court who have tickets and citations. What I would like to do is offer this to the community, to have parents or teachers or school systems send their kids who may could learn something from the program. I would like to be more proactive. I would like to get kids to come to this program before they get a ticket, not after.
So if you could take one thing out of this entire program that you're going to take with you, what would it be?
Like what I like best out of it?
Yeah, that you're going to find most useful.
The love and the caringness of the people that put this program on. It's really, they really care. I didn't feel like it was fake or they was just here because they had to be. No, they really care.
Well, I can tell you this: as a parent with a child who is approaching driving age, I'd just assume they start with this class rather than anything else.
Yeah, we have so many one-car accidents, and we have so many distracted driving issues now, and the kids are having to deal with all that. And this is just an opportunity for them to come and learn that, putting their seatbelt on, driving safely, not driving distracted, it's really something they need to get in the habit of. With the holidays coming up, Tim, we want to make sure that all these kids are safe in their cars.
Thanks, Judge. Thanks for taking your time to talk to me. It's a great program. Good service.
Thank you.